गोय पुलिशेची आतां सगळे रेकॉर्ड्स डिजिटल जातले. गोय पुलिशेन फायर ब्लॉकचेन कंपनी कडेन करार केला. फुडल्या एका वर्सांत सगळे रेकॉर्ड डिजिटल जातले. खात्याचो कारभार पेपरलेस जातलो म्हण क्रायम ब्रांच SP नितीन वाल्सन उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Goa Police is assigned with Fire Blockchain Private Limited, a leading make in India startup in blockchain technology, firm which is specialized in blockchain. So the MoU aims at mutual cooperation between the organizations and resource sharing, so that using the blockchain technology we are able to provide better policing services to the citizens. And as an initial phase, Goa Police as well as the Fire will aim to make all our documents digitized. The ultimate aim will be to make the entire Goa Police paperless. Fire will provide the infrastructure and support system in achieving this target. So this is the first step in achieving that aim.
We discussed a lot, and to accomplish Sir's aim, which is to make, which is a very noble aim, to make not only one big overarching goal that he has from the Goa Police side was to make the whole Goa Police go to a paperless piece, where through digitization of the whole Goa Police, which will basically boost efficiency and it will be a big reduction in cost, and it will lend more transparency to the whole police department. So that is why we are going to lend our infrastructure that we have built to make his dream a reality. So that's one part of why we are together. Second, Sir's goal also was to get all the citizens to feel more transparent. And for that, blockchain, we will be using the most advanced technology of blockchain to make the records. All the records will be stored in a blockchain. It will start with a pilot. It will run until the stage where we make the whole Goa Police digitized. It will keep running until then, as he mentioned. Yes, we have kept the timeline of about 1 year. It will be around 1 year that we've kept, but we'll try to make it happen earlier.
So what is the number of document record that needs to be digitized?
From which year you are targeting?
So how many?
Basically, we are planning to move all the documents which we are available with us, all the past records and the records which are being generated, to online. So the permanent records which are not getting updated now on day-to-day basis, which that will be updated first. That is like the static records. Okay, then we will have a file management system, and we will tie up with NIC and make sure that the file management system is also becomes online, so that the entire system is paperless.
No.